Welcome, I'm David.
I'm Lindsay,
And
this is Desmond's Donders.
Hello and welcome to another Desmond's Donders. We're off to the Glen, and our first stop is not actually in the Glen. We're at Auchindoun Castle, just outside Dufton, and this is a testing weekend. Well, why is it a testing weekend? Lindsay's out testing her microphone, wireless one for the camera to cut down on the wind noise, and I'm testing a new microphone for the vlogging stroke wildlife camera, as my wireless one broke. So let's see how this has gone, and you can watch the video. Welcome to another series from Desmond Donder. In this short series, which is going to be maybe a slightly different format as far as many videos are concerned, was a trip we took with limited time, limited budget, and as normal we had to be back for medical dental appointments. So, did we have fun? Did we reach our goals? Did we stop within budget? Well, as we didn't really have a budget, we're going to stay within budget. But join us to see where we got to and how we managed to only do 160 miles in 3 weeks with loads and loads of different places seen. Mostly in Glenlivet, but also one or two places before and after we got there. Enjoy this little series.
Good afternoon and welcome to Auchindoun Castle. We're not quite there yet, we're in the car park, and at the minute it's just us. Thanks to Helen from Roaming with Raymond, I am testing out a microphone. So, note to self, no muttering under breath, Lindsay, because it might get picked up. We'll see. So, Grace hasn't been here before. So, somebody on Facebook suggested, Grace in Castles as a new series of videos. You never know, it might come off. Because now I'm a member of Hysterical Scotland, as my granny called it. Historical Scotland to those in the know. And sorry, Grace has decided to stop for a sniff. And I joined the National Trust a couple of months ago because I do enjoy a good wander around a castle. So and as people know, in this part of the country there's a lot of castles. There's Brodie, there's Craigivar, there's Fraser, there's Drum, and a fair few in between. Fyvie, I loved Fyvie, it was great. So it means that we can go to the castle and the big houses, hopefully find a parking space for Desmond. David and Grace can stay in the car park because David doesn't do castles, and I can go for a visit round them. We'll see how that works out. So this is the first time we've been back to Auchindoun in, I think David said 4 years, because it suffered some damage in one of the winter storms. Don't ask me which one, I can't remember. And because stonemasons that Historical Scotland and National Trust use are so few and far between, they had to wait their turn to check out Auchindoun. So it's been closed for a fair while. And this is us going to take Grace round the castle. Obviously she'll have to stay on the lead because there's wild stock about. Livestock, wild stock. Honestly, I don't think my brain's in gear today. No doubt David will tell you the history of Auchindoun. So alright, Bubba. I think from and there's the castle in the distance. Good girl. It doesn't look half bad. So hopefully this is us. It is Saturday of the Easter weekend and we're hoping to be out for 3 weeks because I have a dental appointment on the 13th of May. The dentist that I'm registered under is retiring at the end of May, so I've already seen him twice in the last couple of weeks, but he wants to see me again, so we just decided, you know, we have nothing stopping us from going out early because we weren't actually going to go away for a longer term break until nearer the beginning of May. That's all changed. Come on, Bub. Come on. Good girl. Come on. That's it. Sorry. Playing with gates. Here we go. Come on then. Oh, heck. Sorry. So, there's your first view of the castle. I'll bring you in a bit. Quite impressive, isn't it? Come on, Bub. I just realised that having this microphone is going to make my heavy breathing sound even louder. Sorry guys. Can't be helped. Right. Let's see what we do with this gate. It goes either way. Come on, Grace. Good girl. Whoa, wait a minute. Hello, Buzzy Bee. Whoops, a daisy. Good girl. Come on then. Right, we're going this way. Yes, I know you've not been before. Oh boy. Come on. Good girl. There you go. Right, which way are you going this time? Round back again. Okay. Flipping dog. Come on. Oh dear. Sorry. What you sniffing? Hey? I hear you. I would have thought this would make an excellent place to run eggs down a hill. We'll find out tomorrow. No, 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 no. It does say keep your dogs on leads because obviously it's livestock. Oh, it's a kissing gate. Grace really doesn't like these gates. Come on, baby. Good girl. Come on. No, come on. Come on. That's my girl. Now you can earn your keep and pull me up the hill. Come on. That's my girl. Come on then. Oi, oi, oi. No, it's easy for you. I haven't got studs in my shoes. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Come on then. Oh, and cows have been moved. How's that for a view? Impressive, isn't it? Come on, Grace. Good girl. Good girl. There. Excuse the heavy breathing, but it's quite a climb. And I'm not fit. And Grace is finding too many new sniffs. And here we are inside the castle. Oh, there's still some Harris fencing about. I wonder if it was those parts that were causing problems. And there's the main part of the castle. I bet it was very impressive in its day. Let's go see if the stalactites are still there. Come on, Bab. Ooh. Oh yeah, they're still there. It's quite impressive, isn't it? They're actually getting quite bigger. Quite a lot bigger. Especially those ones. And I'm not going to be able to see because of the sun. There you go. So, have to be careful coming in here because obviously it's crumbling, but they are trying to keep it going, and I think that must have been the Great Hall because this stonework's so much better than here. Okay, Bob, there you go. Come on, good girl. Yes, I know. Size 7 feet don't get everywhere. Come on. That's strange. The fencing was never there before, but it's obviously there for a reason. And it just goes up and up and up and up. And now we're upsetting the crows. Hey. I do like it here, it's just so quiet. Apart from my heavy breathing, of course. But as you can see, they had quite an advantage here, being up a hill and being able to see for miles around. Oh, I flippin' hate tie wraps. Right, that one goes in the pocket and that goes in there. Right, come on, let's go, Grace. And the other thing, which you can't really see until you're beside it, is there is almost a defensive moat. I say almost. Hello, Skylark. But it is very remote. Obviously not now because Dufton's just round the corner, but when this place was built and thriving, I'm sure it looked a lot different. And especially to the people that worked here. Come on, Bub. Good girl. So this is our quick tour around Auchindoun today. If the weather permitting, we will be back tomorrow with David, with my camera, and obviously with Grace. So this is us heading back, having got here. Let's see where everything else goes. It is unfortunate I can't let Grace off. They request that you don't, so we won't. And there you go. Sorry about the wind. I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for coming with, and we'll catch you the next time.
Thank you for watching Desmond's Donders. And remember, while in the countryside, indeed anywhere. Take nothing but memories and leave nothing but tracks. Please subscribe and click that notification bell to receive notifications of all our videos.